Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to participate in Cleo's referral program. Now, do you want to earn rewards just for recommending Cleo to your friends? Well, here's how you can participate in the referral program. Step 1, open Cleo and tap settings. Now you're going to find your profile icon or the gear symbol on the home screen. Next, you're going to tap refer a friend. It's usually listed near promotions or rewards sections. Next step is to copy your unique referral link. Now, Cleo provides a special link that's tied to your specific account. Now, all you got to do is share the link. So send it via text, emails, or social media. The more friends you refer, the more you can earn. Step 5, which is the final one, track your referrals. Now, Cleo shows you a status report, how many have signed up, as well as how much you've earned, and you can use that to track exactly how much you're getting and who exactly is signing up. Referring friends to Cleo is a win-win. You help them manage money better, and of course you score rewards for yourself, which can be very useful. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.